What's on your mind? Talk to me. I'm here.
Hey, how you doing? Today I'm going to teach you how to use the UH-1, also known as the Huey. This video is only going to talk about the Huey and not the Mi-8 on the Soviet team because I'm just going to talk about basic controls and how to use them. So this variant of the Huey is the cargo/transport variant of the Huey. There is a weaponized variant of the Huey that comes with rockets and machine guns on the left and right side of the helicopter, but we won't be talking about that just yet. For now, I'm going to be teaching you on how to use this for transport or also for getting cargo and taking it back. Although the Mi-8 is a way better choice for cargo, but if you're on the American team, you can't really do much about that. So let's go over the basics really quickly. Auto hover is to automatically hover the aircraft in a state where it doesn't really move, but it stays at the right altitude. Lock controls, I'm pretty sure just locks the controls on that side of the aircraft or on the other side if I'm not mistaken. And then all the other stuff on the top besides start engine is just navigation or just like lights and such. Currently I have a mod installed that makes it longer to start the helicopter, plus it gives it a different sound so it won't sound like this. Once you get into the area, get familiar with the controls: roll left, roll right, yaw, pitch. Now that you've gotten familiar with those controls, we're going to go ahead and do a little practice mission with the transport/cargo variant of this Huey. This mission is basically us going to an objective to go pick up cargo and take back to the base. Most of the time with this helicopter variant, which is the cargo/transport, you're mainly going to be doing cargo. A really weird feature in this game is when you pull down on the joystick after taking off and then pulling back on the joystick, it gets like 10 times harder to pull back on, so when you take off, watch out for that because you may just faceplant into the terrain. Welcome to the armored variant of the UH-1, equipped with two M60 machine guns on both left and right sides and rocket pods as well. You might be wondering, well, why is there two types of rockets? What's the difference? Well, one is armor piercing and one is HE.
HE stands for high explosive.
So this little thing I'll pull down in a second here is the sight for the helicopter. Think of it like your gun sight on a rifle or anything else like that. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I need to say anything else. So as it being an armored variant, it's obviously meant for combat and not really much for cargo transport. You can transport troops in this thing, and it'd probably be more safer for the troops to be transported in it, but overall you probably don't want to use this thing for cargo. hope this video helped you learn the basics of trying to fly a helicopter on Reforger. I know I haven't made one of these Reforger tutorial videos in a while, so this was pretty short and easy to make, so it was a nice way to kind of ease back into the series. Helicopters were things I wanted to make a tutorial about for a while, but every single time I recorded, I just didn't feel good about the video. But this one was short, sweet, and it pretty much told you the basics on how to use a helicopter. So with that all said and done, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.